Hey everyone, how's it going? This is cryptoFOXXY. Hope your day is going really well. In this video today, I want to talk to you about Bitcoin, how historically, October, well, November can even be better than October. So, how high could Bitcoin go in November? Let's have a look at it. We'll check out all the data and yeah, so we'll hear from an analyst. And yeah, before we get into our video, though, please, you guys know the drill. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. All right. So here I'm going to give a shout out to, I'm going to actually move myself over even more. I'm just going to put myself, yeah, you guys can still see that. All right. So I'm going to give a shout out to Boca for sending this over to me. It's a great idea for a video. I saw this and I was like, wow, I had no idea. Everybody talks about October, but do they really talk about November? I mean, November's been actually really well for Bitcoin. So crypto is now braced for a massive $300 billion price earthquake following Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP surge. So what are we talking about here? The Bitcoin price has more than doubled since the implosion of the major crypto exchange FTX last year. So it climbed as expectations soar. The Federal Reserve could be about to blow up the market. Historically, November Bitcoin price data suggests the crypto market could be about to be hit by a $300 billion earthquake. And we're sitting at right now, let me have a look. What is the market at today? I think it was up 0.10%, 1.35 trillion US. All right. We can see down here. So last week cemented October's reputation as October, with Bitcoin witnessing a nearly 29% increase in value. Rachel Lin is the chief executive of Singapore-based derivatives DEX SynFuture. All right, and so she has to say, even more interesting is that when we look at historical data, November tends to be even better than October, with an average return of over 35% in Bitcoin. So if this November were to deliver similar returns, we could see Bitcoin reaching around $47,000 in the next 30 days. So a price increase like that would be around $300 300 billion to Bitcoin's near 700 billion market capitalization. So Lynn pointed to options data that shows traders are betting that the price will continue to climb in the coming weeks and months. Options data also reflects a bullish mood in the market. As of today, the top two options with the highest open interest are the $40,000 December call and the $45,000 December call. Even the $50,000 December call option has over 5,000 Bitcoin open interest. That's massive. People are, thinking that that Bitcoin is going to, just massively move up. That is amazing. So, smart money, right? Crypto market has been closely watching a clutch of Bitcoin spot exchange traded funds, so ETF applications. You've probably heard of it. We're all talking about it. With BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF filing sending expectations soaring that Wall Street and institutional money is about to flood into the crypto market. And I think when this happens, I don't think we're going to see just one Bitcoin ETF, spot ETF, because I don't think that they want to risk the market manipulation. Uh, People are going to accuse them of that, right? Of market manipulation. So, if they just approve one and they don't approve, two or three or four or five, they're going to get accused of that. And I think really once they do approve one, they're going to approve a whole bunch all at once, because they're not going to give, primary, like, first dibs basically to, say, BlackRock or Grayscale or whoever. I think they're going to actually open it up to a number of applicants before, I think that's what we're going to see when it does happen. So what's also particularly noteworthy is the spike in spot volume, with a marked increase in larger transactions exceeding $100,000. Lynn said this is a clear indicator of heightened institutional interest. So institutional money, I 100% believe, this is just my opinion, that institutional money is sitting on the sidelines waiting for the spot Bitcoin ETF, whether they're going to swing trade it or, but I really think that they're gearing up. And, in my opinion, they're not very smart. We call them smart money, but they should have been buying back when, Bitcoin was down into the low 20,000s. I mean, I I guess, FOMO is a crazy thing, and it even hits people that have, smart money. And I think we're going to see a ton of FOMO once we see a spot Bitcoin ETF in the US. That's for sure, in my opinion. But that's what I got for you in this video. I just wanted to bring that to your attention. Could we see Bitcoin at, 47,000 or around there? It remains to be seen, but there's a lot of people out there betting on it. So we'll see. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.